Call 111 now if your child is under 3 months old and has a temperature of 38 Celsius or higher, or you think they have a high temperature, is 3 to 6 months old and has a temperature of 39 Celsius or higher, or you think they have a high temperature, has other signs of illness, such as a rash, as well as a high temperature, has a high temperature that's lasted for 5 days or more, doesn't want to eat, or isn't their usual self and you're worried, is dehydrated, such as nappies that are not very wet, sunken eyes, and no tears when they're crying. Call 999 if your child has a stiff neck, has a rash that doesn't fade when you press a glass against it, is bothered by light, has a fit, febrile seizure, for the first time, they can't stop shaking, has unusually cold hands and feet, has blue, pale or blotchy skin, lips or tongue, is drowsy and hard to wake, has a weak, high-pitched cry that's not like their normal cry, is extremely agitated, does not stop crying, or is confused, finds it hard to breathe and sucks their stomach in under their ribs, is not responding like they normally do, and is not interested in feeding or normal activities.